Next to the kennel wagging his tail, inside the kennel taking a nap. I woke up this morning, searching all around. I looked in the kennel, but he wasn't to be found. Where is he? Saw the ball on the ground, but where could he be? I checked on the chair, but still no sign of he. Ooh, yeah. Where is it done? Where is he? Between the kennel and the ball, he's on the loose. On top of the chair, way up high, behind the kennel, having a ball.